What is going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. Dorseys Silverado, but wow, you got a whole fucking stick in this one.
Yeah, I murked a fucking stick on it.
Well, there's that. I'll show you guys this cut in the light. So there's this side. I'll walk on over. There's our cut over there. So we are actually going to be tackling spark plugs today. They're not too bad on a 5.3. You guys can see what we're dealing with. They're down here because we got spark plug wires to do. So this should be self-explanatory. We're going to go ahead, AC Delco replacements. Hopefully they don't look too bad, but if they do, I mean, it's just better for him. So we're going to get right into it. We have went ahead and pulled out all four on the right side, well, left side of the motor. This is one, well, I think it's 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you guys can see over here, I just sat up in here to reach these back too, because I got longer arms than fucking Dorsey does. But I went ahead and I just laid on top of here and reached back and got these other three because there's some hoses and stuff in the way, so it's a little difficult. But he's going ahead and pulling these plugs now, and then we're gonna go ahead and blow out all the holes and put the new plugs in. This is what it takes. Dorsey's going ahead and doing this left side of the motor. He's got two done. I went ahead and I threw back in our cylinder 4, which is back up against the firewall over there because it was very hard to do. I had to go and actually, I have a swivel 5/8 socket for spark plugs, so that ended up actually being the perfect size that we needed. I was able to get it out with that, and then I just went ahead, threaded it in by hand at first, and then went ahead and tightened it up. It wasn't easy. I put the coil back over it, so Dorsey doesn't have to worry about that one, but he's gonna go ahead and wrap up these other ones. And yeah, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We already got Jeff's wheels off. We were getting right to work here. We were hitting a 2-inch leveling kit on his truck today. We got these fucking eBay wheels off. I don't even know what they are. He looks like he was fucking sending her a little bit. But yeah, our interior looks a little crusty. It looks like it's got new knuckles on it, at least on this side. But we're gonna be going ahead, and it is a spring mounted one, so this spring is gonna come out and fucking we gotta put it on that spring. So he's got the directions. It's a rough country kit. He's still got some brake pad life in there. We're gonna get to work and get to tearing this bitch down and hopefully getting her leveled. All right, so we have gone ahead and started the tear down process. Most of it is self-explanatory. I've done a few leveling kits in my day, so I know the general process. 21 on your tie rod, which is toast, by the way. He's banging it up here on this guy. We've gone ahead, we got sway bar end links off on each side, upper control arm, which is toast yet again. We got to pull this ABS wire off the knuckle here. That's just pretty easy. Unplug it up top, and then it's going to be an 18 and a 13 down here. That's the next step, and then we got to drop this guy out of here. So we're going to keep moving along. Look for 3/4. All right, I have got nothing left but this fucking nut, and she don't want to move, so I need a 3/4 wrench and a 10 mil to sit on top of it, and then it will fall out. All right, well, we are at Jeffrey's house now, picking up an 18 millimeter wrench because for some reason that is like the one fucking size I don't own. And of course we need it for that top shock bolt. So I already snapped the fucking adapter on it, so I'm already pissed. So here he comes with the 18, and we're gonna get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, brights on. All right, well, we just stopped at the vitamin shop after our Walmart haul, and you know, per usual, we got the bangs. Me and Dorsey got Miami Cola, and Big Jeff got the new key lime pie. About to take a first taste test and see what it's like. Wow, what's it taste like?
Key lime pie.
I don't know what that tastes like.
Give her a rip. You guys have never had key lime pie?
Wow. Okay.
That's good.
It kind of tastes like a pie.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
And it's lime.
Wow. That is pretty good.
Do they have cases of it?
I didn't see any.
The approval rating from the Small Town Ford boys is good.
10 out of 10. Dude, 11 out of 10.
It's
Fuck
lit.
yeah.
Now we're going to get rock lights from Dollar Tree. We'll be back.
Yeah.
Kind of learning the struggle of wide wheels and a road under construction. So it kind of happened the worst possible time I could have gotten new wheels, really. You can see the stock sitting behind me. Those are going to be going on probably in a couple weeks here. But the truck is absolutely filthy yet again, per usual. And I just cleaned the wheels and tires 2 days ago, and they were spotless. And yeah, so that didn't last very long. There's actually a screw in my brand new tires too, so you know that's fucking great. We're gonna be taking a visit to Jake here pretty soon, where he's gonna fix the screw in this back left tire. It's not leaking, so I'm not really worried about it. It's kind of sitting flush in the tread. Don't know if it's even penetrated fully yet, but I'm gonna let Jake figure that out once we get to that point, because I'm not gonna pull it if I'm not gonna be able to fix it yet. So those are gonna get balanced at Jake's shop, and then he's gonna fix this screw in the tire here. But yeah, I mean, you guys can just see the destruction that has happened, and these were just, I mean, they were freshly cleaned 2 days ago. Tire shine, wheels were shiny, it was great, but that only lasts so long around here. And granted, it's been raining for like every day the past like 4 days, so yeah, that's where we're kind of at with that. I'm just sitting out here alone, just chilling. It's pretty relaxing. It's actually kind of cold, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want to clean them again or what I want to do right now. The truck is filthy, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Welcome back, guys. Jeffrey has a weapon, apparently. I got a cheeseburger. This is going to be a continuation of previous clips filmed. I don't even know what is in this video, to be honest with you. It has been a little while since we have filmed. We are putting Dorseys' light bar on right now, and he's going ahead and drilling. Wow, great progress. All right, so we have the light bar all mocked up now. Dorsey's still drilling the bracket bolts in over there. He is struggling a little bit. But yeah, here's our wiring harness. We'll go ahead and get started wiring it once he's done drilling it in over there, and then we should be good, but I think it looks pretty good. We are having some struggles getting this fucking wire through the dash. There's numbnuts. We've basically gotten everything else done. We just have to run this wire through this firewall, and it's not going well. There's a grommet by this pedal. It is nothing like mine in my truck, so we are fishing through it, and it's trying to go, but I don't know. It's gonna be a struggle. We're gonna try to get through. It's fucking cold out here. It's like 30 degrees, so you can see my breath. But yeah, we're gonna keep trying to get it through there, and hopefully we get somewhere. Mint. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna fill you in a little bit of what just happened. So as you guys can see, I'm editing the video right here, but we kind of left some pieces hanging. So Jeff's leveling kit we did not finish. We put it all back together because the shock bolt, the only bolt we needed that needed to come out, was stuck. So there was no way we're getting that off without cutting it. So he's buying new shocks anyway. They're on back order. They're on the way now. So we have to wait for those to get here. Then we're gonna do his leveling kit. Dorsey took my old light bar and he bought mounts for his roof, so we went and put that on. That was a whole escapade trying to get that harness through the grommet and the firewall. That was awful. We actually broke one of the harnesses when he ripped it all the way through the thing, but we ended up getting it fixed and it works now, so there's no problems there. And then at the very end, you guys saw 2 clips of 2 cold starts, which was actually Jeff's truck. So he went and actually got the exhaust fully fixed. He got the other muffler taken off too, so now there's no mufflers. It's just straight out the back. But in the first clip, there's a big exhaust leak because the pipes were just fucked, and there's still a muffler in that one. And then the second clip is what it sounds like now with 3-inch all the way back. So it's just his cats to his Y to all the way back. So with that being said, I'm actually getting ready to go over to Jeff's house now. We're going to be filming another video, changing his spark plugs. So 16 spark plug video coming soon. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace.